Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School New Area, Senior Wing. Students, this is a revision video of Chapter 2 of Geography, Class 7. Chapter's name is Inside the Earth. Students, Earth is a unique planet. Why this is called unique planet? Because this has life support system on the earth. Students, distance from earth to the sun or distance from sun of earth is such that this cannot be too hot or too cold, which also support life. It has water, air and trees, and all these things support life on earth. Dear students, whether inside the earth or surface of the earth, they keeps changing always. Means they are changing their forms continuously. In this chapter, we will study about inside of the earth. Students, have you seen onion? All the layers have their common center. In case of earth also, there are three layers of the earth: crust, mantle and core. And all these three layers have its common center. Outermost layer is the crust, on which we live, we practice agriculture, we grow crops, etc. Dear students, earth crust or crust is constituted of silica and aluminium. That's why this is called Seol. Si for silica, Al for aluminium. Its thickness over continental mass is 35 km, while on oceanic floor it is only 5 km thick. On oceanic floor, it is formed of sima, Si for silica and Ma for magnesium. Middle layer is called mantle. This is 2900 km thick, and innermost layer is called core. Its radius is 3500 km, and it is very hot inside the earth. It is quite impossible to reach at the center of the earth. Dear students, crust, mantle, core. Crust constitute 0.5% of total volume of the earth, whereas mantle constitute 16% of volume of the earth, and core constitute 83% of volume of the earth. Students, Now we shall move to the types of rocks. There are mainly three types of rock: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rocks. Igneous name suggests that it is fiery, relating to fire. It is very hot and fiery. This is formed due to volcanic eruption. During volcanic eruption, hot magma comes out on the surface of the earth and cools down. By this, igneous rock is formed. This is also called primary rock. And igneous rock is further divided into two rocks: intrusive igneous rock, extrusive igneous rock. Dear students, extrusive means what? Which happens outside, means the magma cool down over the surface of the earth is called extrusive rock, igneous rock. Its grains are very small because it cools down very fast. Very good example of extrusive rock is basalt. Our southern plateau is made up of basalt rock. Let us move to the intrusive igneous rock. Intrusive matlab which happens inside the earth, means the magma which do not come over the surface of the earth. They slowly cools down inside the earth. That's why its grains are big. And example of what? Example of intrusive rock, granite. The stone which is used to make powder of wheat, spices. It means this stone is used in mills. Dear students, next we will move to the sedimentary rock. When small particles, sands or igneous rock roll, hit each other, they broke down into smaller particles. They are called sediment. They moved and deposited by wind and water. And under certain condition, means high pressure and temperature, they are compressed and they are called sedimentary rock. Dear students, some living things, for example animals and trees, trapped between two layers of sedimentary rock, they are called fossil. What is fossil? Fossils are remains of dead and decaying plants and animals. This is sedimentary rock. Matlab, from sedimentary rock we can get petroleum, coal, etc. Next one is metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock means sedimentary rock and igneous rock under high pressure and temperature, they are transformed. Means they are transformed. For example, clay is transformed into slate and limestone is transformed into what? Marble. Dear student, let us see some uses of rocks. Can you guess use of rocks? Previously I told you that granite is used in mill to make powder of wheat and spices. There are so many use of rocks. Rocks are used in games. For example, pitto, kitkitta and gana goti. Rocks are used. Rocks are also used to make roads, buildings and houses. Dear students, rock is made up of minerals. Here we should define mineral. What is mineral? Dear students, minerals are naturally occurring substance. Minerals are naturally occurring substance which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition. For example, if you break the gold, a smaller particle of gold have property of gold. Means what? आप उसको कितना भी छोटा तोड़ दीजिए फिर भी उसका प्रॉपर्टी वही रहेगा. Means minerals have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition. Some minerals are used as fuel in industries. For example, natural gas, coal and petroleum. Some are used in medicine and agriculture industry, fertilizer industry. Iron, gold, etc. Dear student, last topic is rock cycle. What is rock cycle? Journey of igneous rock. A journey of rock from igneous rock to igneous rock. Means what? When during volcanic eruption magma comes out and cools down, they form igneous rock. When they broke by any physical phenomena, means by heat, by cooling or by rolling or by hitting each other, when they broke into smaller particles and get hardened, they become sedimentary rock. And this igneous rock and sedimentary rock, under high pressure and temperature, they are transformed into metamorphic rock. And metamorphic rock further, by action of high temperature and pressure, they becomes molten magma. And during volcanic eruption, when they comes out on the surface of the earth and cool downs, again they become igneous rock. Dear students, what is journey of rock? From igneous rock to sedimentary rock, to metamorphic rock, from metamorphic rock to molten magma, and after that igneous rock. Dear students, this is the end of chapter. Tomorrow we shall discuss question answer. That's all. Have a nice day. Stay at home to fight with corona.